KuySpeed again. For today's video is naimbitahan po tayo guys ng isang motorcycle club na sumali sa kanilang Motorcade. Ngayon, naimbitahan po tayo ng ating kakilala. At ngayon magkikita na kami. Papunta na ako sa meeting place namin, doon po sa Total gas station. Medyo late na nga po ako. Nalilate na. 6:30 ang usapan. Anong oras na? Try natin si mama guys kung may masaya. Subukan natin ipipicture yung event nila. Hindi po naman kalakihan yung club nila, pero marami-rami na rin silang membro. Nga pala guys, ang pangalan ng club nila ay Agimat Club, di ba? Lupit. Speaking Agimat Club Riders. Yan po ang pangalan ng club nila guys. Nanditahan po tayo. Pre, tara. Bumalik pa ako, nakalimutan ko yung baterya. Ha? Kawit? Ah, tara. Yan guys, isa sa membro ng club na nag-iimbita sa atin sa sumali sa kanilang Motorcade. Ang usapan namin, ako mag-aantay dun sa Alphamart. Ngayon siya ang nauna sa akin, ako ang inantay. Kulit pero Pilipino time talaga eh. Sakit na talaga na sa akin yung mga ganyang usapan. Ang oras ay 6:30 ang usapan, tapos dumating mag-alas 7 na, diba? Galing. Pilipino time tayo lagi eh. Nagbago pala guys ang meeting place namin sa Kawit daw. Ang usapan kasi namin kanina, Total gas station, doon kami magkikita kasama ng mga grupo nila. Yan guys, walang tayo pa kami sa mga kasama. Kasi wala pa yun. Guys, pupunta daw kami sa looban. Andun daw yung mga kasama nila. Payaman yung ano guys, yung dito nila. Eh guys, paalis na ang grupo. Medyo mag-fill up na tayo ng form para sa membership ng kanilang club. Tapos may mga orientation din bago mo fill upan yung form. Ayan po guys, ang ganda ng uniform nila. Naka-wala rin. Tapos nakalagay Agimat Riders Club. Bali ngayon may tatagpuin pa na ibang membro. Nasa Kawit yata. Ang iba, eh andun na raw. Bali nag-aantay na rin. Bali sa nakikita ko guys, ang ganda naman takbo ng flow ng takbo namin. Ayun, medyo walang nagpapasaway. Lahat sila sa isang lane lang. Walang overtake. Diba guys, ganoon naman talaga sa motorcycle club. Ayun si kuya, di wala po member to. Nakakapit sa linya, member yata to. Tingin ko member to, wala nakasunod.
Ngayon guys, mag-i-start na po kami sa motorcade namin. Sana maging safe at success ang aming motorcade. Let's go!
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test, expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression,
I try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they see me. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they drag the chains, you can say no, free me.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they see me. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they drag the chains, you can say no, free me. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes and embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.
Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game.
At ayun guys, natapos po yung motorcade namin, Mana Town Center, Namumono 7. Ang nga pala, shoutout sa naging bita sa akin, si Romualdo Clarissa. Tol, salamat. Saka sa aking bagong sa kanyang kaibigan na si MJ Boris. Tol, salamat din.
I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into
Diyan nagtatapos ang ating vlog guys. See you next vlog.